In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a Shein product reviewer. Now this is super simple, guys. You want to head over to your profile, select free trial, and once you're in here, you want to press home and you can find products. So just find any product. Let's say you want to do this one, click free trial, type in your address and just submit. Then you'll receive an item, and once you've done this, you want to make an honest review and it will come into your applications right here, and you will have 3 of these this week. And as you can see, once your review is approved, you'll get points, and if it's a high quality, you'll get even more points, and it will increase your chances for another free trial. So if you keep making good reviews, you'll be able to get the free trials, and that is how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.